Believe it or not, Christmas is about 2 months away. And if you're like me and you're into drones or quads, your partner's probably saying, what do you want for Christmas? Well, there's a new set of high quality antennas from MenaceRC that could be a perfect gift. So direct to us from MenaceRC is the antenna pack. This is a 5.8 gig, of course, therefore video orientated, high quality antenna set. And I think it would make a perfect Christmas gift for somebody who's into FPV or flying quads. It's presented really nicely in this little case, which you can also, of course, use as a carry case to keep them nice and safe. Although the likelihood is, as soon as you get this, you'll be ripping them all out to install them onto your quads. But this retails for about £30 in the UK. It's available worldwide from multiple distributors. In the US, it retails for between $35 to $39. But considering what you get, that is super cheap. So we'll go through each of these components one by one, and first up is this lovely patch. This is called the Invader. It's a 6.5 dBi patch, and it's got nice cutouts here so that you can install it neatly on your goggles alongside an omnidirectional. Talking of omnidirectionals, this next one is called the Raptor, and this is an omnidirectional pagoda style antenna. Lovely long cable on here as well, so that when it's installed on your goggles on a 90-degree converter here, it's going to be nice up and high. Then we've got a stubby. Now this is probably going to go on the quad, and this is basically like a small version of the Raptor with a shorter tail on there as well. So that's really handy for sticking on your nice little racing quad. Finally, we've got a few accessories in here. So first of all, there is a 50mm SMA semi-flexible extension. That's useful for extending the height and also for adapting to different types of application. Then there's a 45 SMA, which is handy for mounting that pagoda onto your goggles. And then finally, these two little things. Now, I'd never seen these before. They're called finger spinners, and the concept here is that these can be a little pain to do up, especially when you're out in the field and you're feeling a bit lazy and you haven't got a spanner with you. So you put these little finger spinners on there, connected up to, let's say, an extension like this one here. And then rather than having to wear out your fingers, you can just spin the finger spinner there, and that does up that nut nice and easily. So there you have it, a really nice set. Comes in this presentation box, which you can also, of course, use for storing these antennas if they're not immediately going onto a quad. Mine will be. I've tested MenaceRC products before. Links to those are in the video description, and I've always been impressed. So check out their website, links are in the video description, and thank you very much for watching. Finally, comment if you fly any of these antennas. Let us know your thoughts.